Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. I got the RCI-63FFD4. We're going to do a tune-up report for Brian in Connecticut. Okay, Brian, we're going to start with the amp off. We use this switch right here, the noise blanker switch. Push it in, the amp is on. Take it out, the amp is off. And of course the noise blanker and automatic noise limiter are turned on all the time inside. Okay, so right now we're with the amp off. We have 10 watts on the top scale there. Power all the way up. But let's bring it all the way down. Okay, so we start at 1, and we go to 7 on power when it's off. And our peak power, 50 watt slug, reading power in the middle scale now. 30, 40, 50 right there. Audio. That's with the power all the way up. Audio. And that's with the power all the way down. Okay, now I'm going to turn the amp switch on. Change this slug out to a 500. And then put this on a 100 watt scale. Turn the power all the way back down again. And here we go. All the way down is 10 watts, because that's 10 now, not 1. And all the way up is 100 watts. Our peak power on the 500 watt slug. In the middle again, 30, 40 is 300, 400. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio. And those are all the power levels to this radio. Let's see. Real quick. Hey, breaker 19 for radio check.
Yeah, that's working.
I appreciate it, thank you.